Bravo. Alright, this one's called Say You Wanna Go. You let me know. You made me feel as though I wasn't alone. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your head back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest. Then you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I want to stay with you until it rains old. Just say you won't let go. Say you won't. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. And I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school and wave them goodbye. And I'll thank you my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I want to dance with you right now. And you look as beautiful as ever. And I swear every day get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear. Look how we grow. I want to stay with you until it rains gold. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I want to live with you, even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you are always there for me, and I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till